Alright guys, welcome back to part 3 on the Citroen DS3. So there's a bit of a vibration inside when you start the car. You can't hear it from out here. When you're sitting inside you can hear it. So we're having a mess about trying to figure out what it is. We realised this engine mount is toasted. So I had a look, you can get them for like 30 quid, so it's not the end of the world. So I'm going to order one of these. We'll jack up from the bottom, take it out, put the new one in. But you can see this is meant to sit about here, so this is being pushed that way. That part of the engine mount goes to there. It's meant to sit on top. That's being pushed over. You can probably just about see that bolt down there, but not actually. Oh yeah, you can see it just in between them pipes. So that's going to be fun to get out, seeing as though we can't get to it now. Probably try to pull this and then try to get to it. But yeah, that's going to be the first problem to solve in this video. So we'll get one of them ordered and then go back in. Alright, so it's been a couple of days now. I got some parts in. Unfortunately, the slam panel has arrived. And it's smashed to pieces. I can stay with it. So just ordered a new one of them, but we can't sort the front end out, but we can replace this, so I'll get onto that. It's back in one of these, I think. It's probably this one. So we'll get this replaced. The new AC lines also arrived, so we can get that changed out before I do the engine mount. Just one bolt down there, this bottom one, 10mm. I've already took it off there. Get that changed out. There we go, that's the new one in. Bolted in there, both 10mm, bolted down there. But there's. I've got the AC condenser, but obviously I can't fit it because the slam panel arrived damaged. So I've ordered a new one of them. Wait for that to come, so I can get that on the crash bar on. But we'll move on to this now. As you can see, that's straight, and that one is bent over. And you see how it's sitting in the middle, and this one it's being pushed off. Next to each other. So this one should start all that vibration noise inside. Which I'll probably start up and let you hear it, and then we'll do a comparison afterwards. It's a good idea. I don't know if you can hear it, you probably can. Like a rumbling noise. But then as you go out here, you can't hear it. We'll get that engine mount changed over and then we'll see what happens. I think it should go away. That engine mount is the one I need to look at. Right, so we've took off this pipe here, just 2 10mm, and then we've got the engine mount out. The back bolts are buggered to get out because it's bent over, but we've got it out. So now we've jacked the engine up off the gearbox, and we're just taking these out now. And then we've got a new one there, and hopefully that noise should be gone. Alright, we've got the new one in, situated properly. I'll show you the old one, have a better understanding of how broken it was. Yeah, it's looking good now. So we'll get this all tightened back up and put together, and then we'll start it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so we've sorted all these pipes out, put it all back together. New engine mounts on. As you can see, you can see that bolt now. Everything's tightened up. Actually, there's the old one. Sounds spot on. I'll take you inside. Oh, it's lovely and quiet in here. So, yep, that vibration was just from the engine mount. I guess if you have any like that, you know, it definitely, like if you've got a vibration in your car, definitely check your engine mount. Make sure the rubbers haven't gone in it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna have a little look into that engine management light now. I've got the front bumper. Obviously, we can't put it on yet. I've got the AC condenser in the back here, off light and everything. But obviously, I did have the slam panel, but it's been damaged, so I've ordered a new one, and then when that comes, we can get it sorted. But it's the only thing with it, just you have to wait ages for bits to come. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Really want to get this front end put back together. Happy days. Alright guys, so finally got the new slam panel. This is the second one I bought. So what I'm going to do, these little rubbers on the bottom here, these are off my old one. Fit the rad intercooler to there. You got these ones up top, and they just push in here, so they just sit on there like this. They just push in. So I'm just gonna, you put the bottom in first, and you push the top in after. So I'll get that in, try to get it screwed onto here. Probably have to move it a little bit. We'll see. Alright, so we've just put this back in. Obviously, like I said, them two rubbers on the top and then these ones here. You just push them in after. As you can see, it's lined up lovely there on that row. And it's lined up lovely on this one as well. So there's zero structural damage. Just them a little bit bent, but we've sorted that obviously. Just bought this in now, but got this slam panel now, so I think I need to get some more rubbers, because for some reason this was completely stripped. Didn't come with anything. Might have some somewhere, so I'll have a little look about. But yeah, just wanted that on really. So we've got that on now. We're pretty much ready to put it back together. Yeah. I think now it looks way better. It is. Still need to get a bonnet. Yeah, buzzing that that's, look at that, that's just perfect like that. So yeah. Obviously buying Cat S can be a bit scary in that, but when I seen it in the photos and the no airbags had gone, I was like, there's no way it can be that bad. As you can see, it isn't. So, happy days. Alright guys, sorry about the wind noise. Obviously we sorted all this out last time, it's been a couple of days now. Got the AC here, I'm going to pop that in. Put these little rubber grommets in. They got two clips to go up here, but I've just had to order some because I didn't have any. So I've got them ordered. We'll put this on, screw it in, get the crash bar on. Just build up a little bit, you know. I've ordered the bonnet, that's coming. That should be here soon. We'll quickly put this on. And then it's literally like this, yeah. Put that in there. Put these in. Go get the screws for them in a sec. Then I'll have to get it re-gassed and everything. Might have to, I'll have a hold it actually. Yeah, I'll go get some screws for that, screw that in, and just wait on these clips coming. Sorry about the wind noise again. There we go, we've got that all sorted. These are broken, I've ordered new ones then, but it's holding it in there for a minute. Got them both tightened down. So what I'll do now is get the crash bar on, and then it'll probably be it for this video. The crash bar fitted. Next video we'll get the bumper on, the trim underneath, the bonnet, and all finished basically. Probably maybe even give it a service, not sure yet. It needs one, so I can do that next video, or definitely another video on a service on it. But yeah, we'll get this crash bar set on it now, and then when these come I can just pull these out and put the new ones in. Alright, so we've got the crash bar all on now, the bottom bracket on, we've got the horn on, obviously the AC as well. It's starting to look like a car again. You can see the crash bar is all on fine, so the legs haven't moved or anything. So that's all spot on. But yeah, it is. I'll just get in the car so we can hear each other. Yeah, so basically I've sorted all that out now. We just need to get the bumper on, bonnet on, waiting on the bonnet coming, then 2 clips to the AC, headlights in. I cleared the engine cord, it was a loose clip, so that was sound. So that's all sorted. Got to bleed the clutch again, I've got a decent bleeder. And got coolant as well, that needs putting in. It's just got water in at the moment. So there's still a bit to get on with, but you know, it's getting there. I'm very happy with it so far. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And stay tuned for part 4, when hopefully it'll be all back together. But yeah, thanks guys. See ya.